guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing Purplle.com haul. I recently picked up few products from Purplle.com, so I thought of sharing it with you guys, and here I am doing this video. If you're interested in knowing what all I picked up from Purplle.com, then continue watching. But before that, if you're new here, this is Pavitra Iyer. If you like what you see, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button, because if you don't press that notification bell, you won't get notified whenever I upload a new video. So make sure you press the bell icon as well. With that being said, let's just jump into today's video. So I have everything stuffed inside this box here. So first thing I picked up is this Bella cotton pads, and it has 80 pieces. Basic need for every makeup lover. So this is the first thing which I picked up. Then next thing I picked up from Purplle.com is this Biotic Advanced Ayurvedic BioGlow Purifying Anti-Blemish Face Pack for oily and acne prone skin. So this is how the face pack looks like. It contains 75 grams for 199 rupees, but I got everything on discount, so I'll be providing all the details about the product rates will be in the description box. So this is how the face pack looks like. It has this plastic packaging and you have the face pack inside here like this. So it has very strong smell, you guys, but once you apply it on your face and neck, you don't feel that smell. And yeah, this is the next thing from Purplle.com. Then I have two more face pack from Biotic Advanced Ayurvedic, which I have done a review already on my channel. I'll provide the link in the description box for that. So this is the Bio Pistachio and a Bio Mud face pack. This Bio Mud face pack is for youthful, firming and revitalizing face pack for all skin types, and this Bio Pistachio is also for all skin types. So I have done a detailed review about these products, so I'm not going to be telling anything about these products right now. So I'll be providing link in the description box so that you can see and get to know what are these products are and how it really works. So yeah, this is the next thing. Then I picked up this Good Vibes Argan Oil with silver leaves and argan oil with golden leaves. So these are the facial oils, and this retails for 295 rupees, and this silver one retails for 285 rupees, and this contains 10 ml each. So this is how the silver and golden leaves with argan oil face oil looks like. So I'll be doing a review on this oil very soon. I've already filmed it, but I have to edit and upload. So I'll be doing it very soon. So this is how the facial oil looks like. It looks same, but you have to check underneath where you can see it has a silver leaves here and it has golden leaves here. And it also comes with this dropper, which makes easy to use. Then I picked up this Stay Quirky Badass eyeliner. So I picked up in 3 shades, I guess. One is in Badass White, one is in Badass Grey, and one is in Badass Golden. So these are the 3 eyeliners. So I'll be showing it to you guys right now. I think all the eyeliners look same. Yes. They have this black coating. It's a matte coated bottle. So the packaging is full matte, and you get to know only when you see the underneath the stickers. And this is how the white liner looks like. I like their black liner, so I picked up in colors because I wanted to try, and that black liner is also very good. The Badass Range black eyeliner. So this is the grey one, and this is the golden one. So these are the 3 eyeliners which I picked up from Stay Quirky. Then I got a Stay Quirky I Love You 2 Kajal pencil. This is also in white color. I like white Kajal pencils. I use only Lakme iconic kajal. So I went ahead and bought this one from Stay Quirky, and it looks classy, and the packaging is also like normal packaging. So this is how the white liner looks like. So I really like their packaging. It is quirky as they have kept their brand name. Then next thing I have is this Stay Quirky eyeliner. This is their badass range itself, but the different one. This is how it looks, and I bought it in the shade brown. So it has this kind of quirky packaging where you can rotate this top of the eyeliner, and then you have this actual brush and product here. So this brush is very sturdy. It's not like flexible. It's kind of sturdy. So this kind of packaging is also very nice, and you get grip to hold the eyeliner brush, and you can apply it very easily as well. So I forgot to mention all these 3 eyeliners which I showed you first retails for 175 rupees. But as I said, I got everything on discount, and this one retails for 275 rupees. The next thing I'll be showing you guys is all makeup products from Faces Canada. So I wanted to try their products and come up with one brand makeup tutorial. So here I have everything stuffed inside this box. So I'll be showing it to you guys one by one. First thing is this Faces Canada All-Time Pro Perfecting Primer. So this is how the primer looks like, and this retails for 899 rupees. Again, I had got discount. So this is how the primer looks like. The packaging is very quirky, and it have also like comfortable packaging where you need to pump this and you'll get the product out. So this is the first product from Faces Canada. Then next thing I have is this Faces Canada Glam On Prime Perfect Foundation, which contains vitamin E, keeps skin nourished, UV protection, and I'm in the shade beige 03. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the foundation looks like, and this retails for 749 rupees. I've already filmed one brand makeup tutorial using all these products, and I'll be reviewing the products there, so I'm not going to be reviewing anything here. Then next thing is this Faces Canada Go Chic Pressed Powder. This retails for 429 rupees, and we have the compact inside here. The packaging is nice, and I'm in the shade Natural 02. So once you open, you have a mirror here, and you have this puff, and this is how the compact looks like. Then I got this Magnet Eyes Kajal, and it says it's extremely black coal, vitamin E enriched. So this is how the kajal looks like. This is how the packaging of this kajal looks like, and you will need to twist it like normal kajal coal.
And I'll just swatch it for you guys and show you guys how pigmented this is. Oh.
Okay, this is how pigmented this kajal is. You can see it is blackest black as they have said. So that's the kajal. Then next thing I have is from same range. It's Faces Canada Magnet Eyes eyeliner. It says it's deepest black eyeliner, precise application, waterproof, smooth texture, dermatologically tested, and this retails for 249 rupees. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this is how the actual eyeliner looks like. You can see it's very pretty and classy and girly. The packaging is really cute. Once you open, you have this thin elongated applicator, which is very easy for any beginner out there to use this kind of eyeliners to apply thin liner or thick liner. Anything you want to try, you can try with this kind of thin liners. Then I have mascara. This is the gel waterproof mascara. This is from All-Time Pro Faces Canada. This is how the mascara looks like, and the applicator is also very convenient to use. You can see even this is elongated applicator, and it covers all your lashes completely, and it can go near your inner corner lashes as well. So the applicator is very precise and very nice, and it also has this twisty thing like you can see here. Then next thing I have is this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Concealer. I'm in the shade medium. This is how the concealer looks like. It's very tiny, it's very small packaging, and this is how the concealer looks like. So it has this doe foot applicator like any other concealers. So yeah, then next thing I have is this eyeshadow palette. I'm in the shade Rose. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's the Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette in Rose. And once you open, you have the actual eyeshadow here. So it has 10 eyeshadows, which is almost all the eyeshadows are glittery and shimmery, but you have only 4 eyeshadows which are matte. So this is how the eyeshadow looks like. It comes with this normal basic applicator like any other eyeshadows. So yes, this is the eyeshadow, and this retails for 9.99 rupees for 100 grams. Next thing I have is this face palette from Faces Canada. This is also Ultime Pro range, and it says 3-in-1 highlighter, bronzer, blush, sculpted look, enhance and illuminate your complexion. I am in the shade Glow. This is how the packaging looks like, and this retails for 8.99 rupees. And this is how the product looks like. So once you open, you have bronzer, blush and highlight, and it has good fragrance as well. I really like it. It smells like rose actually. So yeah, this is the 3-in-1 palette from Faces Canada. Then next thing I have is this Faces Canada Ultime Pro liquid lipstick. This is how the liquid lipstick looks like. I'm in the shade 04 Pink Promise. This retails for 8.99 rupees. It comes with this plastic packaging inside, and then you have the actual lipstick here. Right now I'm wearing this same lipstick on my lips, and I really love the color. So yes, this is how the liquid lipstick looks like, and it has this normal doe foot applicator like any other liquid lipsticks. Then next and the last thing I have from this haul and from this Faces Canada range is this Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. This is how the makeup fixer looks like. It says keeps makeup intact, hydrates and refresh, non-sticky. So this retails for 6.49 rupees, and this is how the makeup fixer looks like. The packaging is very nice and classy. Like you can see here, I really loved all the packaging of this Faces Canada products. So that was all the products I picked up from Purplle.com. I hope you liked my haul and what all I picked up from Purplle.com. If you want me to review any of these products, please do comment down below so that I'll be very happy to come up with a review and tell you guys about the products in detail. With that being said, I'll finish this video. I hope you like this kind of videos, and yeah, thank you all so much for watching.